Mr. Pfeiffer is here.
Who?
Mr. Pfeiffer.
Oh, yes. Well, bring him in. You may have to take notes.
Mr. Pfeiffer, Mr. Quimby.
How do you do, Mr. Quimby? I'm very glad.
Mr. Pfeiffer, sit down.
Yes, thank you.
Well, Mr. Pfeiffer, you've certainly come highly recommended. Highly. Indeed, highly.
Oh, you must be referring to Miss Barbara Fuller. Well, she may very well be biased on me. That is, somewhat biased. We're friends.
You're modest, Mr. Pfeiffer, but that's good. We need modest and intelligent young men to learn the mercantile business from the ground up.
Oh, you mean I start from the first floor?
Funny, droll. Miss Fuller also spoke in glowing terms regarding your honesty.
Oh, yes, I believe that honesty is the best
policy. Right, my boy, right. How do you suppose I got to be the general manager of this great store? How?
How?
I'll tell you.
Go ahead.
I will. By being honest, boy. That's how.
Excuse me.
Do you have a cold?
Yes, I did get chilly working late last night.
Oh.
We all work late around here, Mr. Pfeiffer.
No, that's Pfeiffer.
Oh, well, we all work late around here, Mr. Pfeiffer. We are all vitally interested in our work. We all want to get to the top. And in this organization, there is a room at the top.
Yeah, well, I'll have no trouble with that, going to the top, because nosebleeds don't bother me.
And you will be rewarded, boy. You'll get raises. Ask Shirley, my secretary, how many raises she has received.
That's right, lots of raises.
That was from doing your job good.
That's right.
And you, too, will do good work. But first you must get the feel of this great store.
Oh, I'll have no trouble with that. I have very sensitive fingertips.
You must get to know every nook and cranny of this great store.
Oh, I'm very good at nookying and crannying.
So, you agree to start your great climb to success? Your climb to the very top?
I'm ready to climb!
By starting at the very bottom.
Right down below the depths of the bottom, deep, lowest place where I am, I'll start.
You will do the jobs I assign to you, and I will watch every move you make, right?
Right, whatever you say.
Now, here is a list of things I've lined up for you to do. Now, hop to the top, tackle the task, move that mountain, love that labor, see the personnel manager on the 9th floor, and, welcome aboard, my boy.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Quimble.
No. It's Quimby, Mr. Pfeiffer.
No, it's Pfeiffer, Mr. Quimble. Oh, if I get married and I get a little kid, the first name it'll be yours, Quimby Pfeiffer.
Well, what if it's a girl?
We'll name it Miss Quimby Pfeiffer. No, thank you very much. When we have a baby, we'll name it after you, Shirley. Oh, gung-ho. Excuse me, Mr. Quimby told me to come down.
Please wait inside.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Mr. Quimby's office.